In studies conducted over the last 20 years, executives report that nearly 50% of their strategic initiatives fail. Most business leaders have been taught that strategic intent answers the question of why, strategic objectives answer the question of what, and tactics answer the question of how. The struggle comes when the first step, answering the question of why, is skipped entirely or answered superficially. Most business leaders are comfortable with the what, the setting of strategic objectives, so this is where they often start. They easily break them down into smaller, more numerous objectives and then assign tactics. As doers, not dreamers, they're comfortable with this plan. But what happens next is confounding. It rarely goes as planned because few business leaders spend the time and energy contemplating the why question first, and are therefore left with two options. Do nothing because there's no defined criteria for making decisions, or make a guess and hope it doesn't fail. However, we already know 50% of the time it will fail. Let's look at a specific strategic objective and how it plays out. Promoting the brand is a common strategic objective. It sounds rather straightforward until we're faced with developing an actual plan for execution. We'll start grasping for a way to make a decision because our criteria is not crystal clear. We may wonder if the executions will fit our category of business. What's our long-term purpose? Should we align every effort with that purpose? Will it fit with our position in the market? What is our position in the market? Are we about to spend a lot of money and resources on something that will confuse our buyers? That's where Big Smartie comes in. This untraditional next generation method helps you create the unique decision criteria that answer the question why. Once that's in place, you will be inspired to identify goals and set and track effective tactics because it will be crystal clear why you are doing, well, everything. Big Smartie is an optimizing framework for business. It's software that's built around the decision platform from which the goals and tactics for every department can be aligned. So it streamlines the organizational process from strategic intent all the way through execution of tactics throughout every department. And your organization will finally run the way you always thought it should. Are you ready to dare your company to run smarter?